welcome back into Sandgate Auto Electrics, part of the McArthur Industries group. So I'm Todd McArthur here today to talk about a few things around that we have in the workshop, and we've got what people are saying is some of the young blokes around here is talking about a vintage car, and I'm looking at it going, this is the sort of thing I used to cut my teeth on and work on with my dad, Alan, back in the day. And so it's something that we do a lot of, that a lot of people come to us with the older cars that come into our workspace that I'm going to say is probably not a dying breed. I think it's coming back out, and things that want to be looked at within the car. So this one's come to us with an indicator problem where the gentleman was turning the indicators on and all the lights were coming on. So back in the day, they used to have a reverse light diode where it'd turn on the actual rear lights indicators on when you put it in reverse. So they both come on where it's had a problem with that, and we're working with that. So what we just want to let people know is from 2021 model cars with our new hybrids and stuff like that we're doing a research through and doing all courses on, back to the cars in the 60s, 70s and stuff like that. We work on them all here. So we just don't want you to think that being that we are a fairly workshop that always has new modern stuff through all the time, it's not always you see all the stuff in the background that we're doing. So please, any questions on some of your older cars, if you need that sort of work done, we do some of the vintage air fit outs, so the ACs on older cars and all sorts of things, complete wiring into the hottie where they're starting to get done for drag racing and stuff that we do. So if you need any problems like that, come down and see us at Sandgate Auto Electrics. We're here to help you and make sure any of your requests, if you've got anything you want to ask, just put it down in the comments. We're here to help you moving forward. Thank you, have a great day. Bye.